Hey, what? How many shit I seen? Send them all. Take a risk or take a trip. You know I'm tripping for my dog. Who you with? Couple sergeants and lieutenants for the get back. This revolution been.
Shot across the bow, dude.
For reference, I'm blue. Champ is red.
Grenade. Alright, dude. Money shot time. Get that troll.
We'll take a shortcut.
Definitely got an ADS on this.
Okay.
We get
I'll
one
let
shot.
you go first, dude.
We get one shot.
Oh man, it's wobbly.
Hit the target on the hook rope. Where's it? Okay. 5, 4. Okay. All you.
It's your boy!
Success.
Let's move.
It'd be so funny if you didn't let her take it. Like, my shot,
Oh my god.
my ride.
Shot him in the shoulder.
Very humane. We're supposed to shoot their hands, right?
He could be bleeding out forever.
Nah, dude. Their medical team is on point out here. Oh, sorry.
Wait, what hit me?
And then there's a dude doing the Baywatch pose at bottom.
Oh man, I didn't even see him. He's trying to get him this. Yo, was he about to murder that dude?
He's not as innocent as you might have thought.
Oh my goodness.
I like the warning shots.
Look at these guns are off, dude.
Are they?
A lot of dead civilians, dude.
Look at all the people.
God, the Captain Obvious
Yeah,
over here.
and they're not
dude.
here for the exhibits.
Oh!
He's in the lineup, dude.
I'm not with this guy.
The heat of the moment.
Oh!
Oh, shut
There's an
up!
armpit, dude.
Like, they're all doing the wave. Why would you jump up?
I'm not with them.
You're so lucky. These blue rounds are flying everywhere.
I'm not even 100% sure you shot that guy. It might have been me, dude.
No, no.
I was spraying and praying.
It's like death by firing squad. Like, they make everybody shoot, so we're all.
Everybody's guilty. It's in a public museum, dude. I'm doing like some espionage.
Perfect.
Mr. President.
Watch out for the Dong cannon. It didn't come out this time.
From the elbow. Oh.
No problem.
Just pointing the remote so vigorously at it, dude. Fire, fire, fire. Open all compartments.
I didn't even have a chance to see that guy. Oh no, I'm out of bullets for the assault rifle. Now I have to switch to the assault pistol.
Man, he's so big.
Whole suit's just a walking drum magazine.
Oh,
damn, dude, it's the long scene of the empty moguls. There we go. We always fail this
Nope.
because it goes up and then she just hits the brakes. Yes.
Oh.
What? Come on, she was like 99% of the way.
I can't hold it anymore.
You know what? She got back up.
Thank you for shooting.
Purposely trying to take her out.
We are getting
I
there.
think there's 2 more missions.
No, this is it.
Well, 2 more parts. We gotta go through, then we gotta fight the dude, and then we have to not mess up the part where we use the D-pad on the side of the gun for some reason.
You sound like ungrateful right now, dude. You sound like you don't
No, I'm just, it doesn't prompt you. Then we hit the B button last time because you hit the B button every other time, but no, it's the trigger. Yeah, maybe we can just provide the steady stream of bullets down here.
Just hot brass clanking behind us. Get down my top, dude. Oh, spider monkey. Oh, I came over. Yeah, my dude fell out the ceiling.
Told you we'd start using them.
He landed in a prone position for the 2nd floor. Good God.
There's a dock
I know some of
downstairs.
these words.
Alright, now don't shoot the scientists, I said to myself. It's gonna give us some weird camera angle, I feel like, and then it's gonna throw the scientist out in front of us.
Oh yeah, 100%.
First guy's scientist? Yep. Shot that.
Oh, he came back. Oh my!
Told you, once you hit one, you just start wigging them all.
They all corrupt anyway, dude.
Yeah, right? Like, there's nobody innocent on this ship. They're all working for Daft Punk.
God, he's just dipping on us. I don't know.
Oh, we tripped.
I told you guys to put up this Cat 5 cable. Oh my goodness.
Oh, no.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, I think that was our chance to make him trip. He's failing. Alright, we're close.
Oh my God.
Just finish him, dude. It's a DPS race.
Oh,
Been here many times.
Is it a race though? Just getting murderized.
Alright, now all we have to do is squeeze the... We line it up at the same time because it's going to kick us off, and then we squeeze the trigger and we win the game. Alright, you mother trucker. Alright, let's guide on. Guiding, you ready? On, trigger. So easy. This game's a joke.
Watch this video over there.
Only took 3 other tries.
Oh my God.
You saw the beam?
Ooh.
Wait, why didn't we just do that when it was back in the facility? The scientists.
Ah, we had to kill him. We had to kill him first. We wanted to bring him in for
Wait,
justice.
so there were no scientists on that ship?
No.
He's just alone
Yeah.
with his DirecTV?
Yeah, it was him. It doesn't take 130 people to run a
Please,
sub that size.
please tell me there's more.
Oh my God.
Beautiful.
That's the house that it did.
Howard, got any plans
Oh,
for the
what's up, bitch?
holidays?
Damn.
They worked in the title.
She said whatever.
Nigga second bad, but somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off.